In this episode of True Crime Cold Case, the mystery of the transforming principle. 1944, three detectives set out to solve this mystery: Oswald Avery, Colin MacLeod and Macklin McCarty.
The incident took place in 1928. Frederick Griffith discovered the transforming factor. The heat-killed S strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae turned the non-virulent R strain into a virulent S strain when mixed. How? What caused it? That's what our detectives set out to find.
The suspects were narrowed down to DNA, RNA and protein. Everyone told them it was the protein. It was the only one smart enough to plan all that due to its complexity. But our detectives weren't sold. They needed more evidence. Avery came up with the master plan. They made an extraction of heat-killed S strain bacteria. They added it to 3 test tubes. In 1, they added protease to destroy proteins. In 2, they added DNase to destroy DNA. And in 3, they added RNase to destroy RNA. This would allow them to use the process of elimination to identify the transforming principle.
Live R strain bacterial cells were then added into each of these test tubes and allowed to transform. The cell cultures were plated on 3 different agar plates and incubated to allow the bacterial colonies to grow. View the culture under a microscope.
Transformation of R strain to S strain happened in the test containing protease and RNase, test tube 1 and 3. This suggested that proteins and RNA were not the transforming principles because transformation happened without them. In the test tube treated with DNase, transformation did not occur. This suggested that DNA was the transformation principle, as transformation could not occur in the test tube where DNA had been enzymatically destroyed. Avery, MacLeod and McCarty's investigation revealed the shocking truth. DNA was the transforming principle, but most didn't believe them. DNA hired the best lawyers there were to fight his case. They were confident that the detective's DNA sample was contaminated with protein and protein was the real culprit. It was only when other detectives conducted their own investigation, like Chargaff with his base pair rules, Hershey and Chase with their viral experiments, and Watson and Crick with the double helix model, that everyone finally believed that DNA is the transforming principle.
This case forever changed science. It laid the foundation for modern molecular biology and transformed our understanding of heredity, disease, and life itself.